Good morning, students. Yesterday, I discussed about the objective of marketing. Today, I am going to discuss about the meaning of product, meaning of services, and then I am going to discuss the features of product and the features of services. Okay? And if you know the features of product and features of services, easily you will be able to differentiate between product and services. And the features, what is been given there, that will be the point of distinction for both. Okay? So first I am going to discuss about meaning of product. I have written here, an article or substance that is manufactured or refined for sale. You know all of us, what is a product? Like when Poonam Bhaiya is making the samosa, it is a product or not? Why is he doing it? He is making it for the purpose of sale. That is why it is called a product. When I will come to the features, I will explain you what is its features. Similarly, meaning of service, all of us are knowing. The action of helping or doing work for someone. Like I told you, a doctor or a nurse, when you are admitted in the hospital, the service they provide, which you cannot see, but you can feel it, that is what is basically called the action. That action make you happy sometimes, and the same action make you sometimes upset. So that is what is called service. Okay? Now if you come to the features of product, I told you what is product. First, product is tangible or tangibility. What do you mean by tangibility? A product can be seen, like this is a pen. Can you see it or not? You can touch and you can feel it. How you can feel it? अरे लिखने में हमको दर्द हो रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है? This is what is called tangibility, which can be touched, seen and feel. That is what is called a product. Second thing, ownership. Ownership of a product are transferable. Like now the pen is with me. If you give me some money, and if I have given you the pen, after giving the money, when you got the pen, you will be the owner of the pen or not. Like a samosa. When Poonam Bhaiya made it, he is the owner. Tiffin break time, when you given him the money, and what you do when the ownership is, and when you got the samosa, now that time you are the owner or not. So what do you understand? The ownership of the product are transferable. Okay. Third thing, life cycle. Every product has a fixed period of time or a life. Like एक सिंघाड़ा बेटा तुम कितना दिन खा सकता है? You know that you cannot keep it for 2 months, 3 months, maybe for few hours. On the other hand, the pen what I am using it today, it has also a life. What life? Maybe the refill will last for 2 months or maybe for 1 week. After 1 week, this will go. Everything, like you are buying a battery or mobile phone, it never lasts for year after year. So every product has a particular life cycle. Okay. Next coming, product is non-perishability. What do you mean by the non-perishability? Means it is like just now, it is durable. Like a product can be durable for 2 months, a product can be durable for 5 months. That is called non-perishability. तुरंत ये साड़ नहीं, perishable साड़ जाता है, तुरंत ही साड़ नहीं जाता है. It is durable for a particular period of time. Next coming, inventory. Inventory means storage. So product can be stored for future or not. Any kind of product. Like you know, when the ice cream he bought Poonam Bhaiya, he is not selling it in 1 day. So what he do? He store it where? In the deep fridge. Okay, beta? So product can be stored for future. That is what they talk about. Now coming the risk. Okay, what is happening there? Product risk is little less. Why risk is little less? Like this pen is, you have given it to me, and if I found out there is some difficulties or some problems in this particular pen, easily I can go to your place and I say, look here, this pen is not working. Are you going to replace that product or not? Okay, so these are the point. Again, tangibility. I hope you know the meaning of tangibility. Here, ownership is why transferable? I explain you. Life cycle means every product has a particular life cycle. Means it lasts for a particular period of time. After that, it खत्म हो जाता है. You know the perishability means a particular product is durable for a period of time. Got it or not? If today you bought it, definitely it is not going to finish today only. It will last for some time. Inventory means where you can store it or not. Yes, the product can be stored for future. Similarly, like a corona time, you must be noticing there, almost all of us, before the lockdown started, people have lot of things they bought, rice, atta, okay, all those things. And what they do? They store it because this is a product. And the risk, I told you, in product, risk is little less. Why? Because it is replaceable. You can replace it if the product has some problems of difficulty. These are called the features of product. Now I'm going to discuss about the features of services. First thing, intangible, which you cannot touch, which you cannot see, but you can feel it. Service. I told you just now, एक ही आदमी का सर्विस बेटा, एक डॉक्टर का सर्विस फॉर समवन, कोई आदमी के पास तुम जाएगा, one person can say yes the doctor is very good and the other person will say no the doctor is very bad. Person is same, but what is happening there? Someone is satisfied with his way of service and someone is not satisfied. That is intangible, which cannot be seen, but you can feel it. Okay. Now they are coming perishable. What is basically happening to the service? Service एक बार दिया गया, तो basically it is खत्म हो जाता है. What happened? Today if you go to the doctor has given you the service, you will remember it for few days or few months. Afterwards, definitely you will forget it. That is why it is called perishable. Next come ownership. Ownership of service is not transferable. Why? Because I told you, once the service is provided to you, that same service cannot be provided to any other people. Understand? That is why service ownership is not transferable. Remember that. And next point is coming risk. Service has lot of risk because once you deliver the service, it cannot be replaced. Like I always told you, beta, once you behave, if your behavior is not up to the mark, once you do it, people always remember that. Do you understand what it is? Risk. Service has a lot of risk. एक बार तुम जा करके किसी के घर में फ्रिज बनाने गया या टीवी बनाने गया, and if you have not done it properly, what is going to happen? Next time, how much you try, what the people say, oh, तुम ही बनाने के लिए आया, तुम कैसे बनाया हम जानते हैं. That is why it has a lot of risk. So if you know this point, easily you can differentiate between product and service. What is the first point? Tangibility. What difference you write? Product is tangible, service is intangible. Next I'm telling you ownership. Product, in place of product, ownership is transferable. In place of service, ownership is not transferable. Next coming storage or inventory. Product can be stored for future. Service once delivered, it cannot be stored for future. Now if you can take risk, service has, you can say product has less risk because it is replacement. This replaceable, you can replace it. On the other hand, service has very high risk. Okay, like that 4-5 differences easily you can be able to write on your own if you understand the meaning of product and services. So homework for you today, learn any 5 differences between product and services. Before ending today's class, once more I want to remind you, some of you till now I think 5 or 6 of you have not sent me the photographs of your homework copy what I asked you for last 10 days. Please send it to me. Yesterday I contacted some of the students and today also I am going to contact and tomorrow I am also going to contact the students those who have not sent it to me. So please those who have not sent it to me, please send the photographs of your homework copy what is being done by you from the beginning onwards. Thank you so much.